Okay, this is my unboxing of my Marshall amp, the DSL 40cR, and I'll be also unboxing my Fender Stratocaster Players Series. Just love this guitar. It's made in Mexico. I love it. Of course, my Beatles coffee cup, gotta have it. Okay, this is the Roadrunner to my original guitar that I have here, which I love. I haven't started playing it yet, but I'll get there. This is the box that the Roadrunner Stratocaster will sit in, the Strat. Here's the bag that I bought. It's $100, by the way. This is a $100 box, made in China, unfortunately. You know, Roadrunner. And then there's it's open, very plush, very nice, very nice. Alrighty, let's move along. Here it comes in a really bizarre box, not really well packaged on the outside, but the inner box is really nice. Popped it open there for you. And now we're gonna here it is, a couple tools to put on the wand. And there it is. There's my Fender, my Strat, the player's model. This is an intermediate guitar. Look at that beautiful thing. There's the adjusters, the neck, and the bass. I forget what it's called. So it's very beautiful. It's incredibly well made in Mexico for the Player Series. Of course, there's my and all the different buttons and plugins and the connectors that you have there. The 5 channels, the Player Series Stratocaster. This is the back where you tune the then the F for the Fender, and then the back plate for the electronics, and then of course where you put your also too, here it is, signed and verified, made in Mexico. Very nice, very nice. I know that the Pro Series and the Lux Vox Lux is very, very super nice. This is how it looks in the case. I had to put it away for right now until I take my classes in guitars, extra security. And here is the Master DSL 40cR. And opening it up, there's the gold seal, and the outside is really well made. The outside and the inside is well made. Here, I opened it up. There it is. It's heavy. It takes a lot of strength to pop it out. It's a heavy machine. I'm going to get wheels for it, of course. And it just gives man, this amplifier is amazing. Has a lot of features to it. I'm not going to be going over all those features. Those features are for a later date, a later video. The back, the plug-in, the various other plug that you can plug into. The speaker, there's the speaker, close-up picture of the speaker. There's a inner box. Let's see what's in the inner box. The the pedal, the 2 pedal, and the cord, plug-in cord. And the warranties, comes with the warranties. They gotta have the warranties. And then instructions, also this is the important part about the reverb. And that's what the instructions, and that's why I bought this particular model of the Marshall amplifiers, is because of this right here. The reverbs, there they are. You got the classic and the ultra. Gotta have that when you have a amplifier. Then also you can. This is a Marshall DSL 40cR for reverb. It's beautifully heavy, and it's also heavy. So you better, you know, the back plug-in Marshall, where it's made from. They're made in Vietnam, so I'm assuming that would be South Vietnam. Again, all your back connectors where you connect your various instruments. Marshall again. It's a beautiful, beautiful. I haven't tried anything. My cable, they only had an 18-foot cable, so I bought that for the guitar to connect, and I bought some picks. Here's some really highlighted Marshall. And then the Player Series Stratocaster. I love it. I love it.